In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Monday.com. This is a fantastic way to automate some of your workflows and enhance your productivity without needing to write a single line of code. We'll be using a no-code automation platform specifically focusing on how you can leverage Zapier, which seamlessly integrates these two platforms. First, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is essentially a workflow that connects your apps and allows them to work together. For your trigger event, select Monday.com. This is where your integration will start. Let's take, for example, scenarios like new item in board or column value changed. These are common triggers that people find useful. With your trigger set up, it's time to define the action. Here, you'll choose ChatGPT or OpenAI. In this action step, you'll need to connect your OpenAI account or insert your API key, which will allow the data to flow through seamlessly. Additionally, you should choose the specific model you want to use, such as GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. Make sure to map the inputs correctly. This usually involves passing the text you've selected, say from a column or an item description, to ChatGPT. Now you might want to take it a step further and create a subsequent action. For example, you can send the response generated by ChatGPT back into Monday.com. You could update a column value with ChatGPT's generated response or summary, which makes it highly efficient for your workflow management. After setting all this up, it's crucial to run a test to ensure that everything works as expected. This test will simulate your Zap to verify that the data flows accurately between Monday.com and ChatGPT. Once you're satisfied that everything's running smoothly, you can go ahead and turn the Zap on. As a practical example, imagine someone on your team adds a description to an item in Monday.com. By setting up this integration, this description can be sent automatically to ChatGPT. It would then generate a summary or provide additional information that could be automatically posted back into your board, saving time and providing valuable insights almost instantaneously. There you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Monday.com setup using ChatGPT through Zapier. This no-code solution empowers you to streamline communication, maximize efficiencies, and ultimately make better informed decisions with minimal effort. Enjoy automating your workflows.